Students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we will learn pronouns. So, pronouns are the words we use instead of noun. For example, I am telling you something like Ram. We are talking about Ram. Ram is a good boy. Ram lives in Mumbai. Ram goes to play cricket. Ram goes to school. Ram eats rice and curry in lunch. Ram eats dinner at 9 o'clock in the at night. So if we are see, we are using every time Ram, 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 isn't it? Is it hearing good? No. It is like that repeating Ram is becoming a clumsy. It is not sounding so good. So instead of this we use some words like Ram is a good boy. He goes for he goes to play cricket. He goes to school. He lives in Mumbai. So it sounds good and it represents the he. He is representing Ram only. Here are some examples in your book. See, underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Shalini likes animals. So Shalini is a girl and she has two pets. So we use she instead of Shalini. Okay. A cat and a dog live in the house. They are Shalini's pet. A cat and a dog. In the next line, we are using they instead of a cat and a dog. Otherwise, we have to use a cat and a dog live in the house. A cat and a dog are Shalini's pet. So every time if we will use the same thing, it will not sounds good and it the meaning will be also clumsy. Okay, so we are using they over there. You will like the two pets. I like them very much. Here you is used instead of any noun and I is also there because you also have a noun and a name and I also have a name, but when we are talking it gives a way of talking. Okay, you will like the two pets and I will like them very much. So pronouns are words which can be used in the place of nouns and noun expressions. Some pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Anju is a policewoman. She is brave and strong. So we are using she instead of Anju. Okay. I think you understood that instead of noun, instead of writing or telling noun, every time we use some words. Those words are called pronouns. Pronouns can be used to talk about one person or thing or more than one person or thing. Okay. In singular form, we use I, you, he, she, it. Plural form, we use we, you, they. I means who is talking. He represents I. You means whom you are talking. Whom the person is talking is you. I and he, she, it, we are talking about the person that is not among us. Okay. Now plural form, I and many others are with me. Then we will call it we. You. You means you. The person sitting in front of you or maybe with you, that is they are called you. You in plural also we will use you because in class teacher says take out your book. You all of you keep quiet. That means you. All of you. That means telling all the students. Or sometimes ma'am says, Shaurish, come here with your book. You come here. Shaurish, you come here. That means Shaurish, we are calling Shaurish over there. So you is used in that also. That means the person, singular or maybe we can use it for plural. He, she, it. He means the boy. We use he for the boy, she for the girl, and it for the thing. Okay, that means non-living things or maybe animals also sometimes we use it. And in plural we use they. Singular me. Me means give it to me. Okay. When something is coming towards me. And when I am sitting and many others are with me, then we will say us. Okay. It. It means a particular thing uh, and them. For example, uh, it is a cat, give it some milk. Many cats are there, give them some milk. So instead of it, in plural, we will use them. Him or her. There also, if many boys are there and many girls are there, then we will use them over there. Okay. Next, see number. So this much what we have read, that pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns or noun expressions. Okay. Next, we are going to let's practice. Okay. Read the sentences below. Fill in the blanks with pronouns in place of nouns given in the brackets. One has been done for you. The coat is new. Dash, the coat is green. So the coat is a non-living thing. It is a thing. So we have used it over there. Number B, the pictures are on that wall. Dash are nice. So pictures, that is in plural form. So we will use they. They are nice. My sister and I were watching TV when my sister and I heard some noise. So I am including over there. So we will use, and more than one person is there. More than one person, and I am also there. So my sister and I were watching TV when we heard some noise. I like Tina and Ramesh. Dash are my friends. So Tina and Ramesh, they are other persons. Okay. So they are my friends. Rest of them you will do by yourself. Okay. I will not help in this E, F, G, H. These four you will do in your book. And next day I will give the answers and I will discuss in the live class. Replace the noun expressions given in bold with suitable pronouns. One has been done for you. So Mithun and I reached home late. Mithun and I took a taxi. So I is including, that means it will become we. Mithun and I reached home late. We took a taxi. My father is a tall man. My father is 6 feet 2 inches in height. So my father is a person. He is a male or masculine gender. That means a man. And we will use he over there. My father is a tall man. He is 6 feet 2 inches in height. When Winky's brother goes shopping, Winky's brother brings nice books for Winky. So when Winky's brother goes shopping, Winky's brother is a boy, we will use he. Okay? When Winky's brother goes shopping, he brings nice books for Winky. That means him. Okay? So I'm repeating again. When Winky's brother goes shopping, he brings nice books for Winky. I think you understood. Rest 3 will do by yourself. And last one also, I will not help you in this. You will read the passage and you will do. Whenever you will see that two persons are there, then there we have to use plural form. When one person is there, we have to see that he, boy or girl. If it is a boy or man, then we will use he. And when girl or woman, we will use she. When I, the word I will be including, we will use we. And when both of them will not, the subject or the, we are talking about another person, those who are not in at present in our in front of us, so that time we will use they or you, like this. So do this. I think you have understood and you will do this one. by yourself. Okay? So till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time, and do the homework in book. Okay? Because we will, next day I will see each and everyone's book in live class. You have to show the, like holding the book, that you have done your homework, and you will give that date and you will do the homework. Okay? Till the next class, goodbye, have a nice time, and keep practicing grammar.